Stock markets are dull, oil explodes. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update, and always great to be here. And what a dull day on Wall Street. Volume was again pathetic. 140,000 Dow futures, where we were trading over 350,000. So, but again, you can't fight the tape. You can't fight what's going on. You have to just sit back and observe the market. It looks like we may have broken out the upside, but I think you take a look at VIX higher, bonds lower, gold higher, dollar higher, oil exploding. Now, I will say this, that there will be news in the next day or so of why oil exploded. I can understand the drawdown making oil pop a little bit, but today's rally was above and beyond the call of duty and expectations, pushing oil up near $69 a barrel. I'm sure this will come out to something with Saudi Arabia or OPEC or something of that nature. We'll see. But mark my words, there'll be news in the next couple of days on what's going on behind the scenes in oil. In the meantime, markets were very, very soft. The NASDAQ actually, again, the most volatile, up big, down big, up a little bit. Dow basically up and down, not much off center. We'll basically call this a pretty much of an unchanged market. Not a lot to get excited about, not a lot to get depressed about, just a market that just traded. The Fed Beige Book came out today, and of course they did their usual nothing and said nothing. And of course, you know, it's another joke and just shows how ridiculous the Federal Reserve is with their comments they make regarding growth and how they're going to handle all this, because they have no idea. But in the meantime, grains were very mixed today. Corn slightly higher. Wheat made that big rally, as we thought when we said Monday after the big sell-off. Look for some rallying, and of course we see that. Soybeans are still hovering around that 1040 level in basis on May. Meats, look for feeders. They're still a little bit weak. I mean, they're going to go higher, I believe, but I think there's still a little bit more selling coming in. Fats held up once again, but both opened higher and did not really maintain as much those gains. Hogs look great. They look like they're going up continually farther, and they look that you should be buying every dip. And I think, in fact, across the entire ag complex, I think buying the dip is the trade right now. I don't think you want to be a seller here. And I think in the equity markets, we still have to observe. Again, you cannot fight a dull market. You don't really want to get involved in it from the long side, but you certainly don't want to sell it. There's an old adage, you don't sell into a dull market, and this is, there isn't any duller than this. Now, we may get some action as President Trump is meeting Shinzo Abe. We'll see how that all plays out. But at the end of the day, the markets are taking a little bit of a respite here, waiting to see what is next on the docket. And of course, we're not going to say that they can't go higher, because they have broken from that bottom out of that little bit of a downtrend. So we'll see how it plays out. But I look to be a buyer of grains, meats, Bitcoin, or cryptocurrencies in general. And I think you have to watch gold up around 1365. And look for bonds that continue to break. Interest rates are going higher. I think no matter what the Fed wants to do, and I think this might have been the announcement that the bond traders were looking for to sell them. In the meantime, quiet, lethargic, snowing everywhere. I'm dreaming of a white July 4th. In the meantime, everybody have a great day. This is Bubba's Daily Update. And of course, don't forget our high school investing program. If you want to help out, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And don't forget to catch the Bubba Show every day at 4 to 5 on LibertyTalk.fm. This is Bubba's Daily Update. Thanks so much, everybody. We'll see you back here tomorrow. Same time, same station. Have a great day. Thank you so much. We'll see you later.